Hey guys, this is Moller from Moller Smokers, and on today's episode we're gonna build a custom enforcer grill for Will's Barbecue, and we're gonna modify and prep that Tanker 500 over there for Matt Smith in the UK.
Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered.
Alright guys, episode 26. We got a whole lot of things going on at the shop. Right now I'm prepping these pieces for a custom enforcer grill we're going to do for Will's Barbecue's trailer. And we're also going to take it to Germany, so stay tuned for that. Yesterday I had Eloy come in and practice some welding on this fireplace. He's getting pretty good. He will soon be welding smoker parts. So this was a good chance for him because everything gets covered. Right now I'm also in the middle of cleaning up this lowrider for the barbecue guy because it's going away soon and needs to be wrapped for shipping. And here it is, all wrapped up, ready to be loaded. Alright guys, we're building Will's Barbecue's custom enforcer grill. We've tacked everything up. Now we're about to insulate the bottom and weld it out. It's fully welded now. I'm prepping the intakes and the logo to be welded. And yesterday I also made the grates and the griddles for it, two of each. This week's been a bit busy. I'm taking a lot of orders. I also have to upgrade this Tanker 500 that's going to Matt Smith in the UK. Here are the pieces for the disruptor. Lloyd here is finishing the fireplace. We got a whole bunch of work to do. Well, this enforcer grill is already done. Only needs the dampers to be finished. Here we got all the grates and griddles. And right now, just took out the old deflector. And I already built the disruptor, so we're going to fix this for Matt. I'm also going to do a new hinge on the door because it was sagging a little bit. The disruptor is welded in, and this Tanker 500 is ready to go to Matt. I've also upgraded the lock for the folding stack and the door hinge, as I told you. And I switched the handle around. It's Saturday. I cleaned up this Tanker 500. I've also done the stencils for the serial number and Matt's brand. You can check him out on YouTube, Meet Smith. And I started a fire to let it dry out so I can reapply a thicker coat of linseed oil. This is the pit that started this series, and I'm really happy to see it go to a nice guy like Matt. Alright guys, I just finished applying the oil all the way around, make it nice and shiny. And I've also done it to the custom enforcer on the outside only. You never wanna put linseed oil where the food or the coals go. That's why the grates and the griddle are still raw. On Tuesday, Eloy and me are going to take the van to Germany and mount this on their trailer. It's gonna be a fun trip. Well, yesterday I picked up this really cool 1989 tank. This is going to be a lowrider 65 for Mark in Manchester. I'm really excited about this one. The patina is gonna look really cool. And this little guy is also leaving the shop. And that's it for today, folks. As I said before, next week we're going to Leichlingen to see the guys at Will's Barbecue and mount the Enforcer on their trailer. So you know the drill. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, leave a comment, and ask any questions you want. I'll see you in the next one.